Alright, so here's my video review of the QRAP, which is LBT 2586J, I believe is the technical name LBT uses. This is it's the QRAP stands for a quick release assault panel. It's meant to clip onto either a 6094A standard version or the slick version, which is what I run it with. It's kind of it's another option instead of using maybe a 1961 G or K or A or whatever you're running. It's just kind of a lighter chest rig, I want to say. So I opted for this instead of one of those because I don't really like the straps of those running over a slick or something. It's just kind of too cumbersome for me. But anyway, you have buckles, and these clip onto female ends, which attach to your plate carrier. Pouches wise, on the sides you have a radio pouch, another radio pouch, just in case you're running dual comms or whatever. Right now I have my push to talk just pretty much ghetto wired up here. I'm going to be messing around with that a little later. In here I have a little talk about. I haven't picked up a embedder yet. But anyway, on the inside you have, the great thing about this is that it comes with both a 7.62 kangaroo insert, which is what I have in here right now because I run an SR25, but they also include a 5.56 insert, which holds 4 magazines, as opposed to the 3 which the 7.62 holds. So that's really cool. Instead of, thought it was nice that they included that. You have your elastic retention straps for the magazines. These can be unbuttoned, folded in if you don't want them, or whatever you want to do with it. One thing that's really nice I found about these pull tabs is that they're, I don't want to say they're a leather, but they're kind of this grippy, they kind of feel rubberized material, and that's for just more grip if you're running gloves or whatever and you need to get to a magazine quickly. So yeah, pretty much it for the inserts. Buckle wise, very durable buckles. Again, LBT's got some nice quality stuff. As you can see here, you have a lot of adjustment space. Something I thought was very cool. I actually cinched mine down quite a bit from what the factory direct size was. So again, really cool. It's a handy piece of kit if you want to have the option of running 7.62 or 5.56 and not having to get a 1961K or a G and switching out that old stuff, or just running like one 7.62 mag and a 5.56 pouch or whatever you're doing. I'll hook this up real quick and I'll let you guys see kind of what it looks like. Hooked up to the rig. Somewhat difficult with one hand, but if you want more pictures, you can Google search LBT 6094A slick with quick release assault panel, and lots of pictures will come up. Okay, hang on a second. Alright, anyway, this is what it looks like hooked up, and then obviously this would run around the back. One thing I wished the slick had was kind of a loop on the back that you could run these through instead of having this loose strap going around your back. But again, once it's tightened up, it doesn't slide around or anything. It's really secured to the rig, so when you're running or moving them about, this isn't going to flop around if you have it tightened down properly. I found no problem with it whatsoever so far. So it's just a really nice piece of kit. That pretty much wraps it up. I don't think there's a whole lot more. So thanks for watching. If you want, comment, rate, subscribe, whatever YouTube does now. Yeah, thanks for watching.